Let's go, everyone. Today, I'm ultra excited to unbox this pair of Darn Tough Men's Hiker Micro Crew mid-weight hiking socks. So here we go. This is what the package looks like, mid-weight with cushion. Been hearing a lot of great things about these. That's what the packaging looks like. Still made in Vermont, USA. All right. Here we go. Wow. Darn Tough Vermont. Nobody ever outsourced anything for quality. Ooh. Nah, this is some high quality stuff. Even says tough on it. Wow, look at that detail. It says darn tough on it. Has a little mountain logo. Looks great, feels great, and please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about these socks, and I will drop a link in the description below on where I got them. Hope you're all doing well. See you all next time. Later.